Every contractor needs to find a way to save time when faced with a shrinking labor force and tight schedules. Since COVID-19, there's been a 12% decrease in job site productivity due to restrictions and regulations like PPE, social distancing, and cleaning. There's never been a better time to introduce Cablofil productivity solutions, especially on large installations like data centers. Wire mesh cable tray is one of the most efficient ways to run cables overhead. The entire product line, including accessories, is designed with features built right in to help contractors. Wire mesh cable tray eliminates the need for labor-intensive, complicated conduit, and the Cablocut cutting tool makes it incredibly easy to make the cuts right on the job site. With a number of splicing options, including EDRN and SWK, contractors can trim almost half the time compared to competitor splicing options. Dropouts are often a headache in the field, but Cablofil UDO, Cablexit and Dropout Kits make it simple and fast. Bends, tees, and elevation changes can become work hangups, wasting precious time as installers struggle to create the runs they need. Fortunately, Legrand's products offer unique features that make setup a breeze. Finally, to support wire mesh cable tray, our collection of Cablofil brackets offers tough support and time-saving design. The pandemic certainly did change how your customers work. There's no limit to the potential of these products when contractors need to save time and labor on every project. Cablofil's wire mesh cable tray and accessories will help keep your customers one step ahead on the next job. To learn more, reach out to your Legrand sales rep.